Hey everybody, this is Andrew and welcome to a review of the SESAME Smart Lock by Candy House. This is supposed to be a super flexible smart lock that will fit into pretty much any doorknob, and it was a Kickstarter. This is the second generation. Let's get to it. Warranty. This foam part right here and the lock itself. It's actually bigger than I expected. There we go. So we have this adhesive here, this straps right here. If the surface is rough or uneven, that's what you use this for. So this being the lock, it comes with an adhesive right here and one up here. So I guess what we're gonna do is test it. It comes with an app. SESAME by Candy House. Here we go. Gotta create a login. Okay, now we can set up Sesame. We tap on this plus right here. We'll call it front door. Okay, now I'm guessing it's gonna try to find Sesame. Here we go. Pair with my phone. The instructions are actually super straightforward. They come on the sides of the box. We gotta clean the surface with a little bit of alcohol. You must align it with the knob, and then, yeah, let's go to the door. Let's go ahead and get some alcohol in there. Now, make sure it's in the lock position. So if we go ahead and position it like this, it should read the lock position, like that. Now let's set it to the unlock position. All right, apparently we're set. That is locked. Unlock it. Let's go ahead and paste it on the door. This right here, it should be on the unlocked position. Make sure it stays